To begin, turn on the laser you want to use and allow it to warm up fully. This can take a few minutes depending on the system. Then turn on the Raman equipment once the laser is ready.
So this is the Raman equipment. Um, the button is somewhere there. So you turn it on. Okay.
Launch the Raman software from the computer to start the experiment.
Reference on reference motor. So we'll leave it at this default option. Then you click OK. You load a flat sample. Okay. So that is a flat sample there. To remove it, you just drag it backward, and then you can remove this. Okay. So you just clean it in case of any bits. So to fix it back, you drag it again, drag it backward, and fix it there, and you release that. Okay, so basically we're trying to ensure this alignment. Whatever movement you make here appears on the screen. You can see what is happening on the screen. So okay, so let us set the focus. Before setting alignment, you need to be sure that you're using the right laser. So the laser I'm using is 532 nanometer, and this goes with the spectrometer state 1800, okay, length per milliliter. Then you need to be sure that the magnification here is the same thing as that of the microscope. So there are different magnifications. To know what magnification you're using, you need to open the microscope. Okay, so basically I'm using, so it is written on it, you can see. So there are different ones there. You have the 20, you have that one is 50. So you have 50, you have, this is times 5, there's times 20, and so on. So this is times 5. So I'm using times 5. Okay, so you need to change the magnification there to times 5. Okay, and then you try to focus. You use this to focus. Okay, you use that to focus, and you use that under there to move this up and down. So let us focus this. Okay, I think that is focused now. Then you close. So let us check our laser beam if it's working. Check the laser beam if it's working. So you put on the laser, and then you adjust the power gradually until you start seeing the laser. Okay, you can see the green light there, it's coming on. That is the laser there, the green light there. Okay, uh, so you go to tools, manual, beam steer. No. So I'll leave it as at 515. Okay, I think this is focused enough. So the next thing is to okay this. To check if this alignment is correct, then you go to measurement to test run. Under measurement, you go to open measurement template, and we are using silica reference. So I'll be using this one. Silica reference. And then you open, you okay it. Then select the measurement template and then you run. Okay, so the alignment is not to okay, so this is the peak and this is the alignment here. Okay, so after this measurement is complete, so we'll go to analysis, peak, and we'll check that the peak value is at 520. So this is 519, almost close, almost at 520. Because a tolerance of 1 is okay. Okay, so 520, 519 is very close. So the intensity is almost close to what was recorded. So in this case, I think the alignment is okay. So since the alignment is okay, let us optimize the alignment of the beam on the CCD. So you go to tools, then you go to auto align, and then you go to align. You should take note, you only do this if the alignment was not too good, but in this case the alignment is okay. So I'm just showing you what to do in the case where um, the correction factor, I mean the deviation from 520 is more than 2 or more than 1. Let's say you got a peak deviation from, let's say, 3, 5, then auto alignment is advisable. So I'll be aborting it since I don't need it. My alignment was fine, so I'll just abort it. And then I'll just click OK, and then we can start our measurement. Okay, so you need a slab, a glass slab like this. Ensure the slab is clean enough, and then you add the sample on it, just in a very small quantity. You can use a spatula to do that. Okay, very small quantity is enough for that. Try to adjust until it looks clearer. Okay, so I think that is clear enough. No, so you see what I'm doing? We use this to adjust, and you can view it on the screen, or you can use the microscope. From this point onward, you can use the joystick. So there's a joystick there, so you can use the joystick to move around. Go to measurements, new, spectral acquisition, and then you set every other thing. You can change this to I, which is extended. Increase this to 4000. This is correct, so you click apply, check the next. Exposure time, I'm using 10 seconds. Laser, I'm using 10. Accumulation, let's use 2 or 3. Objective, 5, it's okay. Remover of cosmic ray, select that. Okay, apply. Then file, so you select the file you want to save it. Time, template, focus, advance, apply, and okay. So this is the symbol for run. Okay, so just click on run. That is the end of this measurement. You can subtract. There are a lot of things you can do with the software. This, you can use this for component analysis, curve fitting. Although you can do all this on Origin software, Origin Lab. So all these functions you can also do them on Origin. This is to subtract baseline, okay, and so on. So let me use this and see what it looks like. Subtract baseline. So when I subtracted baseline, this is what it looks like. Okay, let's try another one. So subtract baseline. So this is what it looks like when I subtracted the baseline. If you want this, you right click and accept it. Okay, and then you can save this as a new file. Save as. Okay. So basically you open so by the time you finish editing, modifying your plot or your Raman results, you should save it as. So you need to change the file format to test